I started the record label when I was 19 years old. Banks weren't exactly giving out loans to kids that want to put out punk rock records. And I realized I'm not going anywhere. You know, screw this, I gotta do something.
Usually it's a couple of irons in the fire. There's been times in the past where it's been a few too many, and we've definitely paid the price for that.
FBM, the bike company, was just like an office space with like a tiny warehouse, and it caught on fire and burned down.
I worked at companies where I was making more than enough and was living comfortably, but I wasn't happy because I didn't feel like the work was fulfilling.
Hopefully this will squash any Chris Ren's a millionaire rumors.
If I'd have known anything about business, I would have never started a bike company to begin with, but.
I mean, there's a million other things that I could be putting my time and energy into to make a much better living.
You know, trying to make an honest living out of doing something you love, it's like a terrible idea.
We would rather fail than suck. That's truer every day. We will never suck.
I live in a school bus.